Here's how you do a three-way call on an iPhone. To do a call with multiple people, we'll start by calling a single person first and then add more people to the call. Once the first call is connected, I can tap the More button and add more people to the call. While I'm adding more people, the first call gets put on hold. I'll pick a contact from my list and we'll give this guy a call. It'll first go through as a regular one-on-one phone call. Once Peter picks up, I'll get a Merge button on my display that allows me to merge the two calls together. And there we go. Now I'm on a call with both people simultaneously. Most major carriers allow up to 5 or 6 total people on a standard cellular call. It's also good to know that some carriers will disable the Merge button if you're using Wi-Fi calling. So if you don't see an option to merge, try toggling Wi-Fi off and make sure you're using your cellular connection instead. If you need more than 5 people on the call, FaceTime audio calls are usually a good alternative for that. FaceTime supports up to 32 people on the same call and has better sound quality as well. The only limitation there is that all participants need to have an Apple device to join the call. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.